Hello adventurers, welcome to the channel. Today we'll embark together on a fascinating journey behind the scenes of Hytale. In this thrilling chapter, we'll delve even deeper into the wonders that this universe holds for us, immersing ourselves in the sonic details that transport us to epic adventures in the incredible world of Hytale. Before we kickstart this incredible journey, I want to remind all of you to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our Hytale videos. Your participation is crucial for us to keep bringing you daily content. We understand that, aside from the visual aspects, a good soundtrack is essential. It promises to transport us to a world full of emotion and adventure, both in adventure mode and multiplayer. That's why we'll be sharing some materials provided by the developers so far. In the incredible video they shared with us, we are taken to what seems to be Zone 3, immersed in a rainy setting. The auditory experience is simply amazing, with the sound of rain echoing prominently. As we enter the tower, we notice how the sound effects dynamically adapt, becoming muffled, as if raindrops were dancing on the structure's ceiling. This attention to detail elevates the realism of the game, providing a unique sense of immersion. Upon leaving the tower and returning to the rain, the sounds intensify once again. The characters' footsteps are distinct as they walk, highlighting the quality of the sound effects. Outside the rain, the footsteps become softer, emphasizing the game's commitment to authenticity. We are aware that the team has been working to enhance Hytale's ambient sound system. In one of the clips, we observe how the sounds adapt to the transition from an outdoor area to the interior of an underground cave. Lit torches and the sound of rocks crumbling add layers to the experience, making it even more engaging. Ambient zones, such as wind, bird songs, and cicadas, operate independently and blend depending on the situation, providing a rich and dynamic auditory experience. The system takes into account factors like weather, time of day, and the player's surroundings, ensuring that each moment is truly unique. As the cherry on top, the combination of ambient zones and emitter sounds creates a unique identity for each area, whether it's a skerrick nest or a deep cave. This meticulous attention to detail not only enriches gameplay, but also plunges players into a world where every sound tells a story. So there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of another video. Get ready to explore the environments and enjoy the sound effects that Hytale has in store for us. Share your opinions in the comments, spread the video with other explorers, and tell me, which sound are you most eager to hear in this incredible universe of Hytale? Until next time, adventurers.